Hey Sarah, Komal here. Svaraa is totally enjoying your creative writing classes, and the cherry on the cake is that it is not just creative writing, it is nature creative writing class, and that's why I opted for it. And Svaraa has become a lot more nature loving than she was before. She really looks forward to nature treks. She loves walking on grass on barefoot. She's open to touching the soil with her bare hands. That's wonderful. I'm so happy about it. And she understands the value of nature. She understands how important it is in our life. That's wonderful. She's become more creative. I love the poems that she's writing. She's also become a lot more empathetic towards everyone around her. She maybe her friends, me, she understands our point of view. That's amazing. Thank you so much, Sarah, for contributing to our lives so much. Love you a lot.